Okay, guys, we're back here with the second update of the Snapper Hitch installment, REESE Hitch installment. On the previous video, I did tell y'all that we were going to be drilling it out with the big drill, and y'all can see how many fucking... The ones over here is in good condition, but these are all fucked up. Those are just hot. Okay. Also those. Damn, this is hot. Okay, but here's the hitch. And there's our hole. That is a 5/16 hole. I could not do the 3/4 inch bit. Big black one over there. I couldn't do that one. Y'all see where... You'll see where I tried right there. But that didn't work out. So we cleaned it up with the little grease rag. And, so I'm not going to be able to use this pin. You see, I don't have any more drill bits. Well, I do. I mean, I have all those, but yeah, the biggest size in that box is a 3/8. Did I say 5? No, that's a 3/8 hole. I'm sorry. I apologize, guys. But yeah, we're going to try to find like a bolt or something because that just ain't going. It ain't gonna work. I hope I got one laying around somewhere. Really fucking bite dicks if I didn't. Hell. About this right here, dudes. I don't see why it wouldn't work. How about let's use this to maybe, you know, just get it on there. So let me prop y'all up somewheres. Okay, cool. Right here. Hell yeah, dudes. We're just going to use that to see if it'll work. Hell, I don't know if it will. And hell, I'm not worried about it. But see these spacers? They actually go under the rear axle, but I didn't want to use these again. I mean, they actually have 4, 2 on each side, but I didn't want to use these 2. So we didn't put those back. There's the piece that we need to put from the carburetor to the intake, so let's not forget about that. Cool beans, y'all. So here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to get our, that goes to our weed whacker. Let's go ahead and find our nut. And, yep. Let's get a goddamn washer on there. You know what, guys? I keep forgetting I have a goddamn washer. Plenty of them in the house. This size right here. So there we go. Now here's what we're going to do, guys. I actually was thinking about using this sleeve right here because that does go to the front clip, the pinion or whatever you want to call it. So hell, we might actually use that to staple. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Yeah. Yep. Let's see if it's going to work though. Oh crap. It should. Oh, it'll work. So we're going to close up our boxes real quick. That way we can install our hitch. Temporarily, this is what we're going to use. So I get a bolt. I mean, this worked just fine, really. I mean, the payload that will possibly be going on this is not going to be that heavy. Really, guys, we don't gotta stress it. But it is extremely hot. I'm gonna seem like an asshole, so. We're gonna try to get this bitch on here. God damn it. I've only got this here, guys, because I need something to set it on, but it don't seem like that's going to work for me. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to actually run this bitch through the bottom here, straight up through the top. Okay. Alright, cool, guys. Now what we're going to do is set... Oh, I can't do that. Alright, cool. So that'll be alright. we'll just set our washer right there, and we'll screw our fucking nigger nut on there, and hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. So, actually, she's sitting on there pretty fucking decent. Y'all can go ahead and see before I tighten her down with the ball. Hell yeah! So check that shit out, guys. We have got the REESE hitch mounted on our lawnmower. And check this out, guys. It'll turn with it. Yeah. No, just until I tighten it down. But hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, Jack. Got your dag blame REESE hitch on there. You know, we'll tighten her up and she'll pull up. So let's go ahead and find us a wrench. I'm going to say it's a 7/16" bolt. And I'm wrong. What am I wrong? How the fuck? Okay. Yeah, I don't want to see my face. So fucking odd. So, I guess we'll come over here and grab our ratchet box. Cause, hell, we're gonna need that. So, let me set y'all guys down right here. And, hell, we'll go ahead and open her up. And, of course, we got a couple that's fucking filled out. No, that's gonna be too small. It ain't no damn 7/16. It'll be 1/2 inch. It ain't. I guess it is, guys. I would have never fucking guessed that. So, cool beans. Take y'all down here now. Y'all can see me. So badass. I think it is. Y'all might think it's fucking stupid, but guys, I'm like so happy it fucking worked. Fucking 1/2 inch is not a goddamn 7/16 because I just put that on there. And it won't. Let's try it. Well, I didn't want that right there. Well, it ain't moving. So there you have it, guys. Snapper REESE hitch. Now she can pull a trailer. You know, and I'm not talking put a 1,000-pound payload on it, but you know, this little trailer we got out here, that son of a bitch will pull that thing just fucking fine. So yeah, guys, there's your update for the Snapper REESE hitch. And I'm gonna run into the house and grab me a drink and clean up my mess here. And then we are going to start detailing the snapper mower. Well, we're going to do the rear end. You know, we're going to clean it up how we want it. And then we'll drop the deck all the way down and we'll clean that out, do the deck. Then we'll clean up top here and detail that how we want it. And also, after it's clean, we'll do some paint. And yeah, guys, and then we'll do another engine update. So, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be posting a couple different odd and end videos on this thing today. Here, of course, this was the first one. So, yeah, guys, y'all take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have another video up here in about 20-30 minutes.